Hello everyone. Today we start a new chapter, Geography 6 Major Landforms of the Earth. The surface of the Earth is not uniform, isn't it? At some places it is several thousand meters above the mean, the sea level, and while the other places it is level and flat. This variation on the land surface is called landforms. So you can say in simple words, the different phases of land is known as landforms. Because you can see in this, by observe this diagram, few land is higher than their surrounding. The some part of the lithosphere may be rugged and some plain. So what you will notice that the surface of the earth is not some or same everywhere. Here is a plain, then the desert, mountain, plateaus. So the earth is in a different forms. Do you know that the earth, there is a continuous movement taking place within the earth? As you know, the earth is rotate. The ground on which we are standing is slowly moving. The landform of the earth surface have been created and developed by the two type of forces: internal force and external force. So the continuous movement is taking place. The first, let's talk about internal process or force. Our earth is made up of different tectonic plates or tectonic force which originate from within the earth, created irregularities on the surface of the earth. The tectonic or internal force is responsible for the upliftment and subsidence of the earth's surface. Subsidence means sink. Some places is uplift, उठा हुआ है, और कुछ places क्या है, नीचे हैं, दबे हुए हैं, like mountain and valleys. Between two hills, the valley is there. So that is the उठा हुआ जो mountain का part है, that is uplift part, और जो valley है, that is sink part. So that is the uplift or sink part on the surface of the earth only because of internal process, tectonic force. Now the next process is external process. In that it is originate, कहाँ होता है tectonic plate? That is originate on the surface of the earth. It modify the regularity created by internal force. So the external force continuously wear down and rebuild the earth's land surface. So the wearing away of the surface of the earth, surface की earth की ऊपर की जो topmost layer है वो हट जाना. Wearing away the surface of the earth is called erosion. Erode होना. अब वो erode कैसे होगा? By the strong wind or the pressure of water or sunshine. So that agent, जब बहुत तेज पानी पड़ता है तो आप देखते हो ना, your roads would be clean because of whatever the dust on that road, it drain out with the help of that the pressure of water, and they drain into drains. Drain out into drains, yes or no? Same way on the surface of the earth, when these agent, which agent? The pressure of water and the pressure of wind, they wear away the surface of the earth, and that part जो उसने वहां से साफ किया है, that part they deposit to other place. So erosion and deposition is the two factor of external forces process which create landforms. For example, if I am having dust of dust of I'm not having black paper, so I will try my best. You can see dust of chalk. I put it on this duster. So that is no movement. But when we blow air in this dust, what happens? It deposits to the another place. Isn't it or not? Same way, the dust of the earth surface or due to the pressure of water or wind, it deposits to the other place. So these form different landform. That is external process. Fine. So three type of main landforms are mountain, plain, and plateau. Now everyone draw the picture of mountains on your notebook. Everyone draw picture of mountain on your notebook. And show me your drawing, mountains drawing. One by one, everyone. Hurry up, within a second, you should draw the picture of mountains in your notebook. So Lakshay has drawn the picture of mountains. You can see the one mountain connect with the other. So there is a series of mountain. So that is known as the mountain system. The range of, okay, mountain range. Series of mountain. एक के बाद दूसरा, दूसरे के बाद तीसरा, connect है. And that is the uplift part, and the between the two mountain, that is sink part, is known as valley. V बन रहा है ना? Look at this valley. Okay, fine everyone. So mountain is the natural elevation of the earth. जो अर्थ का ऊपर उठा हुआ हिस्सा है, that is called mountain. And you observe the mountain also may have small summit. Summit means topmost part of the top part of the mountain. So the may have small summit, and the base is broad base, and it is considerably higher. If we compare its surrounding air, considerably it is a higher than its surrounding. Maybe in few area the mountains are even higher than the clouds. As you go higher, the temperature decrease. So the climate of the mountain area is too harsh. So that is why very less population, that is a less populated area. Because the harsh climatic condition, rugged terrain, not easy to build the transportation over there. The facility is not easily access over there, reach over there. So that is why the less population residing or living there. Because of the harsh climate, less people live in the mountain area. Since the slopes are steep, so less land is available for farming, for agriculture activity. So these are mountain. You can do this experiment in your, are you having notebook? So making a fold mountain. All of you requires a pile of paper. Put the paper on your table. Push the paper from both sides. Like you have a book, and put the paper on from both sides. What you think? The sheet will be folded and rise into peak. You have made mountain. This same process our Himalaya and Alps were formed. Okay, so in this way the fold mountain formed. Now, as I told you, the temperature of that area is too cold, so that is why the few mountains are temporarily frozen. Okay, so and the mountain are the storehouse of water. So the river of ice there in the high altitude, they are called river or ice known as glacier. Even some mountain you cannot see under the sea, which is higher than the height of the Mount Everest. If we compare with the height of the Mount Everest, it's too high. But the few mountains are under the sea, like in the Pacific Ocean, Hawaii mountain, which is the more than 10,205 meter high, comparatively. And if we compare with the height of the Mount Everest, that is 8,848 meter high. So you can see the few mountains are under sea, which we can't see. It is true. They are also having high elevation, height. Now the mountain have arranged in line, that is called range. Many mountain system consist of series of parallel range. Parallel range like our mountain, our Himalaya mountain, having 3 parallel range. Himadri, then second one is the Himachal, then third one is Shivalik. And these are extend over hundreds of kilometers. Himalaya, Alps, and these are mountain range of Asia, and Himalayan Asia, Europe or South America, and these in South America, Alps in Europe. So respectively, mountain vary in their height and shape. As if here, the height wise, the Mount Everest 8,800 and the Hawaii is comparatively too much high comparatively mountain. So the height of these mountains are vary in different places. There are the 3 type of mountain: fold mountain, block mountain, and volcanic mountain.